how to transfer all iPhone pictures to Google Photos. So if you want to transfer all iPhone pictures to Google Photos, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser, like Safari browser. After opening your browser, you need to just simply go with privacy.apple.com and tap on continue, which will be in the bottom, and then log into your account. Sign in with Apple ID. Tap on sign in, which will be in the bottom. It will scan your face and you'll be signed in. Once done, you need to scroll down, and then as you can see here, you will find an option request to transfer a copy of your data. Under transfer a copy of your data, tap on it. Now on the bottom, you will have iCloud photos and videos to Google Photos. Tap on it and then tap on next. Now you will have 464 photos and 103 videos. Scroll down a bit, go and select the destination, which is Google Photos, and then go and select photos and videos and go with continue, which will be on the bottom. And let me tell you that your Google account must have at least the storage available. Like in my case, my storage is 5 GB total, which is approximately 5 GB. So you need to have at least 5 GB space in your Google Photos application in order to transfer the photos and videos. So once done, you can go with continue, and in this way, you'll be able to transfer all of your iPhone pictures to your Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.